If anybody has a Samsung dishwasher and you have tried to shut it and this little clip and it's no longer latching anymore, this is what you're going to want to do. This little tab here has gotten pushed in there. So you're going to want to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. This will pop out and you'll be able to pull this little tab out and flip the little latch back the other way. I'm going to show you how to do that. So yeah, if you do this, you'll be able to shut your dishwasher normally again. Short screws, longer screws. So I just disconnected this little prong here, but what's happened is this latch has totally flipped itself around. So you just want to push that back in just like that. What happened was it pushed itself back like that, and the spring cannot bring it back. So you just want to push it to back, reset that, and just plug the prong back in. You don't even need to take this out. You can just do this all from right here, but just to show you, I did take this out. So I'll install this back again. And just like that, within 3 minutes, your dishwasher is able to close again. Take care.